Today, you're going to learn what exactly is affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain it to you so you know the landscape in the digital economy of how affiliate marketing works. So, affiliate marketing is a way for a business to empower people or affiliates to go out and promote the product or service and earn a commission for every sale that they generate through their affiliate link. And within this relationship, there are several key players. There's the affiliate, there's the merchant, and there's the end customer. So starting with the merchant, a merchant, like us at LifterLMS, software creators, we have a product. And one of the ways we get traffic to our website and help sales happen is that we have an affiliate marketing program. So what happens is affiliates come to our website and they may already know what affiliate marketing is, or they may be new to it, and they sign up to our affiliate program. And once they're inside of our affiliate program, they get a unique affiliate link that they can distribute anywhere on the internet via email, putting it on their website, social media, and all kinds of different places. And when people click on their affiliate link and they come to our website and they end up purchasing LifterLMS as an example, we pay those affiliates a 25% commission for creating the sale, for doing the affiliate marketing, bringing the traffic that ultimately converted into a sale. And the person that actually bought the product from LifterLMS, as an example, is the customer. And they get a great product and a great support, and they're happy. So everybody's happy. The merchant is happy because they got traffic from somewhere they might not have gotten it before. The affiliate is happy because they earn a commission. So for example, for $1,000 purchase from LifterLMS, that affiliate would earn $250 per sale. So that's our affiliate commission percentage. And then the end customer of LifterLMS is happy because they discovered the product and got a great product, in our case, for creating and selling courses and memberships. And a nuance to how the affiliate platforms work, like how do we track all this in terms of who sent the lead, when did they buy, how much is owed? This is where an affiliate platform makes sense for managing all that. So all you have to do is sign up through the merchant to the affiliate program, and inside their affiliate platform, they'll give you the link. It will have statistics and tracking in there. And the cool thing is, even if the end customer doesn't buy right away, let's say they come back 7 days later, 2 weeks later, and they purchase, the affiliate platform is still tracking that user through something called a cookie. So everybody knows that this particular customer came to the website and made a purchase, even if their first visit, when they actually clicked on the link, was a week in the past, as an example. So that's all tracked through the affiliate platform. At LifterLMS, we use a platform called ShareASale, which exists independently of our website, that connects in and manages all the payments and the affiliate tracking and everything like that. So that's a great tool. There's several other great ones in the space, third-party affiliate platform tools. And what many website owners do who are using WordPress, they also use a plugin called Affiliate WP, and there's others out there and new great ones coming up that provide that affiliate platform and tracking system all within one website. So that's the relationship of the affiliate, the merchant, and the customer, with that whole arrangement managed through the affiliate platform. It may sound complicated, but once you get into it and get set up, it's super simple and easy.